03K, your second place in the Kansas State 2023. Down on the inside of him out of two. He'll try to close the door on Kyle Morton, and he does. Here comes Ashlyn Jeske to the outside. Not Ashlyn, but Allison. Oh, and she goes up the top side. She brings it back up top side of 3 and 4. Kyle Morton to the top side. Can he find him? Allison Jeske in 4th. Riley Flores. Oh, and Kyle Morton takes it around down here, keeps it going, and he's still in 3rd. Give it up to him. Woo! I see you, young man. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Look at him. He's going to go again. Woo! Way to hold on to it, Kyle. I see you in there. Jacob Capel out front. She can have to be too. Caitlin Apker in the rear of the field. She's got to get it up there. Kyle Morton looking at the rear end. I can't help him. He's coming. Allison Jeske looks over the backside of 03K of Kyle Morton out of 2. But out front still yet. Out of Junction City, Kansas, number 81, Jacob Capel. Oh, and Kyle Morton takes it around again down there at turn 3. It might be a caution. Caution. What's he waiting on? 5 cars to pass him? Kyle Morton pulled up to the rear field. Jacob Capel lead him off. Ken Happy, Allison Jeske, Riley Flores, Caitlin Apker out of 4. Allison Jeske to the outside. She went flying by Jacob Capel like he was a tree stump. Out of 4. Bottom side closes the door on the young man. Bring it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Getting happy around the 81 of Jacob Capel. He led the whole dang heat race. He is off the pace down the backstretch. But in a 3. Comes out of 3 in a 4. Out of 4. The 0-4, picking up the heat win, Allison Jeske. She's got some fans up here, ladies and gentlemen. Brock Liebert, I believe, back there in that AP. I ain't exactly for sure, but I do believe. Heat 2, your bird contract in the IMCA Sport Compact. Brittany Sherrod will lead them off. Grant Lowe to the outside. Out of 4. It's game time. And David Capel takes it around. He'll have to restart at the tail end of the field, or he'll have to keep it going. And he will, ladies and gentlemen, because it is one and done. The 77 looks to the inside, down the backstretch. He is your 2023 Salina Speedway track champion in the Sport Compacts, Brandon Arnder. Bring the noise, boy. Come on now. Come on, come on, come on. Brittany Sherrod about goes around. On the top side of 3 and 4, he holds on to it. Brittany Sherrod in front of him, but out front, you know who it is. Brandon Arnder Jr. Oh, and he about takes it around. He holds on to it. Let's hold the wheel, son. Let's go. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Come on. Kevin Tremblay from Williams Motorsports, P2. And out in first place, the number 77 out of Williams Motorsports, Branston Arner Jr. He's got one to go. Bringing out a turn 4, bringing up another heat win on the season, ladies and gentlemen. Branston Arner Jr., Kevin Tremblay with a real nice P2, and Austin Bird in third. Grant Lowe starting up on the front row and still back to P5. He'll have to pick it up for the field. Ladies and gentlemen, your last feature tonight, your bird contract in the IMCA Sport Compact. Round of 4, Jacob Cabell, Grant Lowe. Grant Lowe slides topside. Here comes Brock Lieber. Zach Montague. Sorry about that. He's got something for tonight. Logan all off the base back there. Here comes the 77 of Branston Arner. Topside. Zach Montague out of 4. You gotta go. Got Jacob Capo down here topside of turn 4. Don't look good for that young man this evening. You'll have to put it on a trailer, bring it back out here next week. Debris on the track out of 4. After the caution, Zach Montague will lead them all. Dan Happy. Branston Arner on the outside, 3-1. You know what time it is. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! Branston Arner, Kyle Morrison, Ken Hoppy. Down the back stretch. He's got to hold on to it. Keep it nice and straight, young man. You're looking good. Come on. He said the next feature race he wins, he will get his hair cut. I can't wait. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks to Lester Lucas, but out front, out of Salina, Kansas, Branston Arner Jr., come on! 7 to go next time by, 7 to go. Will that help out the old 3K of Kyle Morrison? Or Delaware double file restart. Branston Arner Jr. lead them off. Let's go, boy, let's go. Four wide almost out of turn 1. Branston Arner, Kyle Morrison, Austin Bird, Riley Ford. I I gotta get up close. You already know the deal, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on. The 5 to go indication next time by. 5 to go for the 77 of Branston Arnold Jr. Your 2023 Salina Speedway IMCA Sport Compact Track Champion. Out of 4. Come on, you look good.
His 5 meters been paid, just be in this one.
Two to go for the number 77, Branston Arnold Jr. He's got a little bit of room. Come on, pump guns, pump guns. Down the backstretch out of turn 2, all alone. He'll get the white flag indicator this time by. He needed this one tonight. Big shout out to Lester Lucas. 1 to go. You got room. Come on.
Coming through turn 4 this time.
Hey, the damn rule. Come on, boy.
Branston Arnold Jr.
William Motorsport back to back. 8 feature wins tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up to him. Good job, son. Good job, Cody.
Everybody getting in there now? Fred?
Yeah, you guys go like 3 and 3. Stay over here, Mom. Over the other side, brother. Randy, you get on the other side of Cody. Randy and Alex, you guys get on the other side of Cody. Alex and Robert go over there. There you go. Yeah. All right, that'll work. Perfect. Good job.